Hi, thanks for watching another EWI video. Greg Aganowski here. I'm the founder and CEO of Eco Wash Industries. The 2-in-1 truck. If you're thinking about doing this business, what this truck does is it allows you to do both sides of our industry, residential cans and dumpsters. This is essential to help you scale your business. We have startup companies averaging 4 to 6 washes a day with this truck. When I say washes, we're talking about dumpsters. And we are projecting about $100 a dumpster. That's $400 to $600 a day. The truck takes a few to 5 minutes wash cycle to knock out these dumpsters. And again, it can wash 10, 8, 6, 4, and 2 cubic yards, as well as any size residential from 96 down to 32 gallons. Now, if you're doing your research and you just found us, do yourself a favor, give me a call. You could call me directly. Love to chat with you, see what we can do to help you out. I could show you the best value to help you start your business. With our Kickstarter package, you get logo design, website, custom wrap, marketing material. Over 7 years, we've been in this space. We're gonna teach you what's worked and what hasn't. So feel free to give me a call anytime. You call us directly at 480-789-0931. Visit the website, ecowashindustries.com. Once again, my name is Greg Aganowski. I really do appreciate your time. Make it a great day.